Welcome to the biology jungle. Action.
Welcome to the Maury Show. Today we have a special episode on protists. Let's introduce our first guest.
Hi Maury, I'm a plant-like protist, and I have a huge family. I have lots of different kinds of protists, and some of them are algae. And something interesting that you might not know about me is there's red and brown and green. Now red algae lives at the really bottoms of the ocean because the red light is reflected and the blue is absorbed. The green algae has chlorophyll, and that's what makes it green. And the brown algae is brown just because it is. So, thank you, Maury, for having me on your show. Wow, Maury, my flagellants are so tired from the long swim here.
Isn't that too bad?
Yeah.
I have a few questions to ask you.
Oh, okay, sure.
Where are you from?
Well, my family, the plant-like protists, are from a lot of different places. You see, there's the xenophytes, which is my aunt, and they live in freshwater areas like lakes and rivers, and the chrysophytes, they live kind of all over, and the diatoms, they only live in fresh and salt water. And my uncle dinoflagellate, he basically lives in any water, fresh salt. Yeah, so there's a lot of different kinds, but let me tell you something about my family. The phytoplankton that lives in the ocean, man, they can be a hassle. They create red tide, and that is just a pain for everyone.
I've heard of red tide, actually.
Oh, you have? That's good.
That was a big mouthful. Do you want anything to eat?
Actually, my aunt, Blenophyte, she eats through the sun. So, is there any way you could open up a blind? My red eye spot is sensing that there's light somewhere.
Yeah, that's up there.
Oh, look at that. See,
My producer's
I eat
opening
by
it for you.
chlorophyll, like photosynthesis.
Do you reproduce, if you don't mind me asking?
Yes, it's fine. Actually, I reproduce asexually by binary fission, or sometimes through mitosis or cellular division. Yep.
The show isn't what you really think it is. It's, someone says you have a child. Is that true?
No, I do not have a child. I never have a child. No. Who's saying this? Well, thanks, Maury, for your time. I'm sure you have another segment coming up?
Yes, we have another guest who also claims to be the mother of the child.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you.
Action.
Thanks to our first guest, we have a lot of information for this investigation. Now let's interview the second suspected mother.
Hi, I'm an animal-like protist. I'm so glad to be on the Maury Show. I'm able to be an amoeba, a zoophagan, or a paramecium.
Thank you for coming. Now let's just get started. Where are you from?
As a suffragette, I could swim with a flagella. A sarcodine move by extensions of their cytoplazms with the cilia, and sparkazines do not move on their own at all.
Okay, that's good to know. Would you like anything to eat?
As a suffragette, I absorb the food back in the cell membrane, but as a sarcodine, I use my pseudopods for feeding and the movement. Cilias are used for feeding also. They're all the same.
It's very unique. That's very animal-like. So how do you reproduce?
Most suffragettes reproduce asexually. Some do have a sexual cycle, but not most. And sarcodines are asexual as well. Cilias reproduce sexually or asexually. It just depends on what they.
So you claim to have a child. Is that true? And how would you?
I do not have children, actually. I don't have children.
Okay. Thank you for that. Oh, yes.
Maury, I do not have a child. It's her
It's
child.
yours. It's
It's
your
not
child.
like that.
Yes,
Why
it's
is it my
your
child? I
child.
don't
No.
have a kid.
Yes,
Ladies,
you do.
calm down.
Fine.
Yeah.
No, I
Calm down.
don't. I
Ladies,
don't
calm
have a
down.
kid.
Yeah, you
Ladies,
do.
calm down.
Stop.
We'll do a DNA test.
Your
Fine.
plan.
Back up.
It's your
Take some from you. And from you.
It's not my kid.
Yes. It's
And the
yours.
results are in. It
It's
is a
hers.
plant-like protist. It's your
No,
child.
it's
Yes,
not
it
my
is.
child.
I told you. Yes.
Well, Maury, what a wonderful end to your show.
Yes, it is. And thank you. That's all, folks. That is too fucking fun. I have to watch.
Hi, I'm an animal-like protist, and I'm so happy to be on the Maury Show. I can be a paramecium, a zoophagan, or an amoeba.
You
Amoeba.
fucking illegal. Oops.
Guys!
Immigrant.
What?
You illegal immigrant.
Amoeba.
You're an illegal immigrant.
Wait,
It's amoeba.
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 This is where the laughing part of mine comes in, right? Zooflagette?
Zooflagette.
Zooflagellity.
Zooflagette?
Odor. Odor foreign.
Zooflagette.
Illiterate.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
So, as you guys know, I'm a plant-like protist, so I'm gonna swim in now.
That's an attractive flagellum you got there.
So, I don't have a kid. It's not my kid. What are you talking about? It's not my kid. What?
Olivia?
Linda? What's going on?
Ladies, calm down.
You're not even. Yeah.
I don't even know what's going on.
Am I the plant or are you the plant?
Well, you obviously look like an animal.
Welcome to the biology jungle.